What's going on YouTube? IceCreamJunkie here, and today I have another unboxing video. I have a smorgasbord of fireworks. Yeah, look at this baby. This thing, and compared to me, I'm like 5'9", and this goes up to my waist, you guys. That is like lots of fireworks. So I'm gonna be pretty occupied for the 4th of July. Stay tuned because the night of the 4th, I will be uploading some of these sick fireworks, and we'll even get some slow-mo action on there. And just look at all the stuff we got in here, guys. We have these giant fireworks, radiant and exclusive enemies. Oh my gosh. Huge. You probably want to get a look at the packaging up close, but I'm just kind of lifting it up like this. Here, so that's the front of it. It's just, so this is the, I'm too excited to actually talk because it's awesome. I probably should have said that this is their Mega Storm kit. And it certainly looks like there's going to be a storm of smoke in our neighborhood on the 4th because, so this is their Mega Storm Fireworks TNT brand. I like the name of that. Down here, we just got, contains top-selling family favorites, Go Fuse. Oh, I probably should hold that up to the camera. Turning it over to the back, you see we have some images of what the fireworks look like. And then, celebrate safely and responsibly. You know, you gotta be safe. You know, so you got your safety information over there. So this is 2013. Must mean that it was pretty good. They made pretty good sales if they're still selling it. Recommended firing order. I don't even necessarily know what that means. But 44 pieces. But this thing is huge, you guys. And you guys know that I'm not the best at unboxing things. Because I try to use my fingers. So in case we have to return them, then we don't have the box. So using these amazing revolutionary tools called scissors. So let's go ahead and start with the back. Actually, it looks like someone at the store already opened it a little bit. Of course, the time that I actually get scissors is the time I don't need it, but I'll use them a little bit. Okay, so we got the top flap off. And, alright, opening up. Whoa! Jeez, you guys. Look, gosh! This was $50, so it was expensive, but, you know, it's worth celebrating. We got all this stuff. Jeez, it's huge. Let's see, I'll just name some of the fireworks over here. Radiant, Global, is that what it says? Yeah, Global Lights, Tripping Daisies, Sparkling Glory, Pixie Dust. Huge, huge stuff, you guys. I probably, you know, since we're not actually going to be using any of these till 4th of July, yes, you have to wait, but I just want to kind of hold them, just like touch one just because they're so awesome. The retail value was actually $165, so we got I guess that's a decent deal. Let's check out some of these bad boys. Looks like, so we're getting the paper off. Looks like these ones are in like a separate package. Okay, cool. And then looks like there's, oh, that's just a sticker. Wow, guys, that is a lot of good stuff. I'm excited for these to be in action on the 4th of July, but, yeah. This video is already 4 minutes long, so I wouldn't want to, you know, I'm definitely not dropping any of these on the floor at all, but you guys will see these on the 4th of July. And we might even save some of them for next year's. But yeah, you guys, that is my unboxing video of the Mega Storm. Is that what these were called? Yeah, the TNT #1 brand Mega Storm. Alright, guys. Remember, happy 4th of July, little early, but never hurts. Remember, when you're lighting fireworks, always have adult supervision. probably be even safer to just let the adult light them, because you got to be safe. And if my camera looks kind of grainy in this area down here, it's because the screen protector on my phone is a little off, and it creates this weird stuff on the camera. So sorry if the quality is less than HD. But anyway, guys, this huge thing, smorgasbord, I love that word, of fireworks I got right here. You'll see these in action on the 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. See you on the 4th. Well, I'll probably upload stuff before then. Have a great day, you guys.